In our funded and focused feature, creating revenue from government procurement contracts relies on formal communication, deadlines, and written clarification requests. A single, clearly identified point of contact ensures accountability and responsiveness. This person must be reachable during working hours, capable of interpreting procurement instructions, and authorized to respond on behalf of the business. Delays in responding to clarification emails or missing phone calls can lead to automatic disqualification. As an example, Trevon, a solar equipment distributor, handled all calls himself in the beginning of his journey while managing sites and staff. But emails from procurement officers were missed while he was on rooftops. After losing one opportunity, he assigned his operations manager as the official contact. With professional advice, they created a clear communication protocol, ensuring every request from government agencies received a same-day response.